Hello, everyone. What if one bug in production could cost your company millions, and you could have caught it automatically? Web apps today go live multiple times a day. Manual testing can't keep up. And that's exactly why test automation decides who survives and who gets replaced. This series will change how you test forever. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Mastering Playwright, Beginner to Advanced, a step-by-step series designed to turn you into a modern automation engineer. Let's be real. Modern web apps are insane today. They deploy multiple times a day. They have dynamic content everywhere. They run on phones, tablets, laptops, slow networks, fast networks, and users? They don't forgive bugs. One broken button, one failed payment, one login issue, boom, lost users, lost trust, lost money. Manual testing? Too slow, too repetitive, doesn't scale. This is why test automation is no longer optional. Automation allows you to test faster, test repeatedly, test reliably, catch bugs before production. And this is where Playwright enters the game. Playwright is one of the most powerful modern test automation tools out there. Super fast, auto-waiting built in, works across browsers, perfect for CI/CD pipelines. And in this series, I'll show you exactly how real companies use Playwright in production. No theory overload, no boring slides, only real tests, real apps, real skills. By the end of this module, you'll know how to test a real web application using Playwright, how to run tests and read test reports, how a Playwright project is structured, how to debug tests inside VS Code, how to record tests instead of writing everything manually, how to create and refine test suites like a pro. These are job-ready skills, not just demo code. To follow along, you only need three things: Visual Studio Code, latest version of Node.js, latest version of NPM. That's it. No excuses. This is a step-by-step series. If you miss one video, you'll feel it later. Subscribe now, turn on notifications, because in the next videos, we'll show you Playwright roadmap, set up Playwright from scratch, run your first test in minutes, and understand how Playwright actually works behind the scenes. If you want to stay relevant in testing for the next 5 years, this series is not optional. See you in the next video.